In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Notion with GitHub. This integration is incredibly useful for anyone looking to enhance their productivity by connecting their note-taking and project management with code collaboration. Let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to navigate to your Notion workspace. Ensure you have access to the page where you want to set up the integration. If you haven't already, you'll need to create a new page or choose an existing one where you want the information from GitHub to appear. Make sure this page is organized in a way that suits how you work best. For instance, consider creating a dedicated section for GitHub updates. This will help keep your workspace tidy and efficient. Next, you need to ensure that your GitHub account is ready for the integration. Log into GitHub and verify that you have permissions to access the repositories you want to connect. If you're integrating for the first time, you might want to review your settings to confirm you have enabled access to third-party applications. This ensures a seamless integration experience right from the start. Now, it's time to connect Notion and GitHub. Unfortunately, there isn't a direct integration built into Notion. However, you can utilize third-party tools such as Zapier to bridge the gap. Head over to Zapier and sign up or log in if you already have an account. Zapier is a powerful tool that automates processes between different applications by creating what are known as zaps. Once you're in Zapier, click on the Create Zap button to start this automated process. You'll first need to choose GitHub as your trigger app. This is essentially where the action begins. Select an event that will start this zap. This could be when a new issue is created, a pull request is opened, or any other GitHub event that's relevant to you. Setting this trigger ensures that any development activities your team conducts on GitHub will seamlessly appear where you need them in Notion. After setting your trigger, you're going to move on to selecting Notion as your action app. This is where the information from GitHub will land. You may need to authenticate Notion with Zapier to allow the transfer of information. When setting up the action, ensure you correctly map the fields from GitHub to Notion. For instance, the issue title or description from GitHub could populate a corresponding field in your Notion database, providing clarity and context. As you finalize the configuration, don't forget to test your zap to ensure everything works smoothly. Testing lets you correct any errors or misconfigurations. Once you're satisfied, turn on the zap, and you're all set. From here on, the integration will run automatically, saving you time and keeping your updates current and centralized. Finally, maintain your integration by regularly reviewing the zap to ensure it aligns with any changes in how you use GitHub or Notion. Your workflow will thank you for the resulting coherence and efficiency. And there you have it, a straightforward way to integrate Notion with GitHub, enhancing your productivity across both platforms. Thanks for watching, and happy integrating!